Hi, my name's Derek. I just want to give a huge shout out to my boss, Philip. You're doing an excellent job, and it's a pleasure working for you.
From the configuration and deployment team, thank you.
Now that we're celebrating Bosses Day, we think we have the best one in Noregon. I'm sure others do, but we factually have the best one. Don Ehlers, the CFO, he is always respectful. He is always complimentary. He keeps his word, and he always has our back. We appreciate you, Don, very much. Happy Bosses Day.
Hey, Ted Cutt here. Just want to give a quick shout out to Keith Pitt. He is one awesome hiring machine and a great fellow to work for.
Hey, I'm Jorge. Just want to give a shout out to Jamie. Wonderful being here, wonderful working with you, and thanks for all the good work you do for us. Thank you.
Shout out to Jamie for being a great boss.
I can't wait till Ashley's back from maternity leave.
This is Alan and Jimmy here. We just want to give a shout out for Keith and Jamie for being great bosses.
And I'll also throw in Dave Covington. Thanks, Keith and Dave.
Yeah, I guess we can throw in Dave.
You've been great. Thanks for all you do.
I just want to wish Don Ehlers Happy Bosses Day. He is the best boss I've ever had. Great teacher, great mentor, and he does very well with anybody. So, love working for him. Thanks, Don.
Happy Bosses Day. Thanks for all the help.
Jamie, happy Bosses Day.
Happy Bosses Day, Jamie. Good man.
I'm shouting out to Dave Covington, who's my boss. I just wanted to let you know, thank you so much for bringing me into Noregon, and happy Bosses Day.
Happy Bosses Day.
I'd like to wish Julie a happy Bosses Day from all the guys here and lady in the sales department. Happy Bosses Day, Julie. You're the best.
Thanks, Julie.
Shout out to Bill A. Happy Bosses Day. Thanks for hiring me. Thanks for keeping me.
Hi, Tim. We just wanted to say,
we're wishing you a happy Bosses Day.
Happy Bosses Day. Hey Jen, it's KJ and MB. We just wanted to give you a shout out on Bosses Day. We appreciate you and all that you do. You're awesome. You rock. Happy Bosses Day.
I want to wish Clayton and KJ a happy Bosses Day.
Happy Bosses Day, Nina.
Hey, boss. Thank you for everything. Happy Boss Day. Just want to give a shout out to my boss, Derek. He's awesome. Happy Bosses Day.
Just wanted to give a shout out to Lee. Happy Bosses Day.
Just want to give a shout out to KJ. Thanks for being a great boss. Have a great day.
Just want to wish my boss, Lee Grimes, happy Bosses Day, and thanks for everything you do.
I would just like to wish Scott a happy Bosses Day.
Hi, this is Paul in Custom Solutions at Noregon. I want to wish Bill Hathaway a happy Bosses Day, and thank you for all you do.
Happy Boss Day to the best boss out there, Dave Covington.
Hey there, just want to give a shout out to my awesome boss, Dave Allred.
Thank you for being a great boss.
Happy Bosses Day, Keith.
Happy Bosses
Day.
Day.